Oh, tawid na tayo guys. Ayan, ang galing tayo sa dagat. Nag-swimming. Tahimik pa. Tahimik pa. Woo! Woo! They won't stop. Uy! They don't stop. They don't stop. They should put that there pedestrian from the beach, isn't it? Where? Oh, I see.
But I don't think it makes any difference.
People they don't stop.
Like they've dug this up and they've done haven't repaired
What's that mean, see how? You know, sibaw? Sihaw. What's that, sibaw? Ayan o. Seaborns. Ayan o, seafoods, buns.
seafood buns.
Ah, I see. Rhodes Gardens close. Should look in the Rhodes.
Supposed to be
Yeah,
an underground walkway there, but it's all flooded, wasn't it?
flooded.
They're making it look pretty.
Look pretty. They trim.
No health and safety again. Look. No eyeglasses.
No.
No eyeglasses.
Or they have open the sa other garden now. Balik na tayo dun. Swimming pool naman tayo guys. Tapos na tayo sa beach. Balik na tayo sa punta sa swimming pool. Subukan natin. Kapon galak kami ng galak kung saan nakarating. May swimming pool naman. At saka dagat. Grabe, nakainom ako ng tubig. Dagat, hing alat. Hindi ako talaga marunong maligo sa dagat. Ayan o, baggy. Mga pwede yan i-rent sa summer. Ayan, pag nag-rent ka. Baka miss nag-rent na car. Ito kami dumaan. Ito kami dadaan kasi sa harapan. Mababasa sa sahig. Sakit sa likod. Likod kami dadaan. Punta sa swimming pool. Ito tayo dadaan. Ang ganda dito daanan. Ganda swimming pool nila. Kami nag bating sunbathing. Nag sunbathing. Mga tao pumunta lang dito para mag sunbathing. Wala namang naliligo. Ginaw pa. Sa ating dagat. Oh yeah. Should go that side. Oh, I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. Come on. You want to go there. Sarap ang paper. Gusto dumaan doon ang daming tao. Ito sa suot ko lang ay short. Nasa putfa. Guys, oh, sarap niya mag-swimming oh. Ito yung ano, olive tree. Ayan ang ano. So, hindi yan swimming pool, pwede lang yan mag ano, tapak-tapak dyan. Tapos kabilang swimming pool, pwede ka dyan mag swimming kung gusto mo, pero madumi pa. Ito kami sa swimming pool, tayo naman maligo. Ayun, may sarili silang swimming pool. Ito kami dumaan sa likod. Kasi diretso sa pool. We go in that one and we want to walk in the thing because otherwise we're wet. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, wait, wait.
Go around.
Yeah. Oh, you can swim there. Swimming pool.
The water is coming from inside, so I don't know what's going on.
Maganda dyan, wag laro ng tubig. Mauga ang kamay ko kasi nag-walking.
I'm guessing that the indoor pool isn't heated.
Maybe. Walking tayo.
They still haven't cleared up all the material.
Inaayos pa nila.
It's not opening today. We've got water in, but there's nobody even working on it. Look,
No.
that's what annoys me.
No, I think they will do that in the summer.
That's what annoys me. Isn't the fact that it's broke and it needs to be repaired.
Mm-mm.
The fact that there's nobody bloody working on it.
The summer, maybe.
It's just like a little cafe, isn't it?
Summer. Orange may labo. Look. It's a lot of orange. Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there. What's that swimming? What's that one? It's apple.
There's another place you can walk up there. Look.
We go there.
No, not really.
Later we go.
Later we can go.
After the swimming. After swimming.
Yeah, maybe that's the massage bathroom.
Where?
area.
And there?
In there, yeah.
How you can massage there is... How you can massage is dark?
Thomas White turned around and said they wanted to play table tennis.
Yeah.
And the reception turned around and said they don't know where the bats are.
What? But
The table tennis bats and the ball,
you don't know it.
they're not available.
Oh dear. What's that in there then? Oh, it's open. Look. What's that then?
Gymnasium, steam room, sauna, hot bath.
Oh, hot bath.
Signature therapy, massage.
Ah, then there.
Yeah.
It's open now.
Yeah.
Oh, how much that one?
I don't know.
Jacuzzi. Yeah, how much? Jacuzzi.